Injuries, diseases, and aging can reduce mobility and severely inhibit a person's ability to perform everyday tasks. The primary treatment for mobility problems is physical therapy, but it often does not result in a full recovery. The Wyss Institute has tackled this problem from multiple angles to help patients regain their independence and quality of life. One group of researchers has developed ways to improve balance and gait by applying imperceptible mechanical vibrations to the patient's skin, using vibrating shoe insoles. Elderly patients who wear these insoles regain the ability to move as they did when they were many years younger. The insoles also help improve balance in people with stroke or diabetes-related nerve damage. Accelera, a startup which spun out of the Wyss, is using the same technology to help restore the ability to walk and handle everyday objects in children and adults with cerebral palsy. This same platform technology has been integrated into baby mattresses by Propella, another Wyss startup, to improve breathing in infants who suffer from apnea of prematurity or in opioid-exposed newborns. Propella has already received 2 FDA fast-track breakthrough device designations for their product.
Approaching the problem of reduced mobility from a completely different direction, a Wyss soft robotics team designed a light and flexible soft exosuit made of clothing-like fabrics and Velcro that wrap around the legs of stroke patients. By applying mechanical forces to the patient's joints at precisely the right time during walking, these soft exosuits improve the natural mechanics of the human body to help restore the ability to walk. Rewalk Robotics has obtained clearance from the FDA to sell this soft exosuit, and now patients have access to this potentially life-changing product in rehabilitation clinics across the United States. Eventually, this soft exosuit could be personalized for individual patients and used in the comfort of their own home for full-time rehabilitation, rather than for just a few hours a week, as is done now. By focusing on patients first, the Wyss Institute continues to be at the forefront of innovation by developing a broad range of disruptive technologies to help people live more active, comfortable, and fulfilling lives.